So is this streaming to Google also? I'm not Google, YouTube.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yay. I don't see anything on your screen.
3, 2,
there you go.
1.
I see it now.
I had to wait for the icons to come so I could share.
Gotcha.
Okay. Press 1 to enter the T1 simulator.
All right. Anything?
I pressed 1 and nope. There it goes.
Is it doing anything?
Sound module stopped working. Client
crap.
has stopped working.
Crap.
3 window errors popped up simultaneously.
What the hell? I don't understand what I did.
Cancel. It's not letting me close them.
That's just great.
Well, it could just be my computer's been up all day and it could have stuff still in memory from the
Shit.
twice I've been flying around. So let me restart the computer and I'll be right back, okay?
Oh, you're going to restart the whole computer?
I'm going to restart the whole computer.
That sucks.
I'd rather do that and make sure it's not my computer, okay?
All right, I'm looking at the code.
I will be right back.
All right.
Toby, I'm actually not going here. I was just visiting some of my fiance and Kate. So she got off work. Excuse me? I was kidding. Kidding. Cool girl. Good for you. Thanks. Kids. So, that's what happened, huh? Don't tell
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, I'm loading the profiler, and then I'm gonna load what you call it, client, and see if it comes up happy.
Okay.
Profile.
Oh, wait, where are you? You're still in the... Let me put you back. What
I'm
was
still
the ship you...
52881. I should be sitting on top of the UI's tower.
52881.
God bless you.
No, that was a cop.
Okay,
But
gesundheit.
Thank you.
You ready for me to press start?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna be inside the UI tower, aren't I? Oh well.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think. Maybe. I don't. Yeah, maybe. I don't know what happened. I didn't reposition you, so your ship should be exactly where it was when you left it.
Yeah, but it falls when you start, and then it repositions you to the ground. So about half the time you're on a building, you end up in the building.
Oh, that sucks.
That's why you don't stay. I stayed on top of the roof.
Yay!
Okay, you ready for me to press 1?
Yep.
Encountered a telemetry error. Please send the log file to Jason.
Don't bother sending the... I see it. So what if you close that? Is the client still happy? Sound
Looks
is
like
okay.
it.
Client is okay. Huh.
Yeah, but I'll get a 3D error if I restart the view screen
Maybe
now.
I need that log then, because this is different than we saw before.
Okay, so let me close this and save the log and send it to you.
Thank you.
Rise. Client, close. Email. Compose. Jason. Log. Log today. Attach file. I said attach file. Anytime now.
Sweet.
Rise. Log file. Upload. Don't need any text. And it was successfully sent.
Sweet. Thank you.
I'm in a car.
Roger.
I can tell you I'm in a car by the sounds that it's loading.
Oh. Oh, are you still in the... I didn't put you back. Gosh darn it.
Oh yeah. Turns out you and I are Facebook friends.
52881.
Well, let's see what it loads first.
I'm Susan Shaw.
I am in the T1, an upside down.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, no, I created a profile for that. When he wasn't.
All right, I'm gonna put you back on the roof. Did that work?
No. View screen just went away.
What's the client look like?
It looks like a client without anything going on.
Huh.
Peer program 1 disconnected.
All right, let's try
1.
loading the view again.
That never works on my computer.
Oh. Why not?
Because it doesn't like you. It gives me a DirectX 3 error.
What's the DirectX 3 error?
Number 27. Hang on, he'll say it right. About, watch, right.
Whoa. What the hell?
Remember we talked about this 2 days ago and I said I have not pushed this off to you yet because I don't want to push it off because I want to get out of view screen. I want to get into UI. So
Yeah.
we don't care if view screen's crashing because...
Well, hell, let me try this in the custom UI then, I guess.
Well, hang on. Let me log Skippy in as with the custom UI. Actually, my UI is old, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. I could make you a new EXE, but... Oh, man.
Are you tired already?
Yeah, it's been a long day.
Do you want me to log in as me or Skippy with the UI? Or do you not care because you're tired and it's now time for Jason to stop making important technical decisions while he's tired?
Well, I'm just looking at the code here. Trying to figure out. So if it's an active vessel and it's not a simulator, so we do fuel. We determine if it's above or below the cloud layer. Pods. Fuel depletion we don't worry about. Do we?
I don't know. I know when I played in simulators and real ones, they always made sure that that was one of the things that they'd take away from you randomly.
Yeah.
You'd be flying along with full tanks, and then all of a sudden, magically, you'd spring a leak, and it's like, okay, diagnose this problem, Bill.
Hide RL from simulator. What the hell is RL stand for?
Well, I know what it stands for to me. It stands for real life. But I doubt that's what you have it.
Oh, no, that probably is what it is. We don't ever show vehicles in Bradbury Garage or Auction Garage, and we hide simulators from real life. But what if the player is in a simulator? So that's the telemetry issue, is that it's, I think it's, well, let me look for your email. You're wanting me to do this land by manually? I thought you said you stayed up late doing these.
I did most of the one at Kansas. I did a bunch of it, I think. But I did not do the one up near the rear.
Okay. So this email that you sent.
I sent it because I want you to do the rear, yes, and if you could check to make sure I actually got all of them out at Kansas, and the bait of it, the Bethlehem, you know, if somebody wants to buy a piece of land out there, I'm not going to worry. It's 5,000 kilometers away, and it's just common.
Okay.
So if they really want to work that hard.
But you want the land now to secure it, like because other players might get it, or you need it for development right away, or do you want to wait until you can purchase?
I'd like to secure the land so nobody can buy the stuff up near the rear, because it is I think I measured, when I measured it was like a 5-plot streak of rare that was, oh my god, high.
Okay. Well, let me see how I do land.
If you don't have time to do it, I can wait, or I can do it manually, one plot at a time again.
I think there's a procedure for it, because I think I've done it for you before.
Oh yeah. Jason's doing crack again.
BLM report. SQL insert. Transfer ownership. Port. Reconfigure. Okay. So if owner unowned and TCP dot U. Let's see. Greater equal 3937 and TCP dot V less than equal, or no, U less than equal 3942 and TCP dot V greater equal 2331 and TCP V less than equal 2341. Okay, so it's a 10 by 10.
Uh-huh.
Thirty-one, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That's 11 by 11.
Oh,
If
I
you
can't
see.
count.
Well, that's okay. Or would you rather have the radius from the...
I don't care either way.
I used to be like you. I could will myself, you do kind of man. Try to lose the weight. Try to get a job. Ask your regular friends out. Try to date a nice girl. Molly. I met the
That's
fiance.
APN.
Good guy. This is your Molly.
I think I have it right.
I'm watching this, trying to figure out what you're doing, and just going, so far it's making sense, but
Long. That's the price.
Hmm?
Oh, just the total price.
Ah. Yeah. I just got a Mary hair in my tea. I tried to drink it.
How's that?
All right.
Did that'll do it?
Probably. But I'm guessing.
And then you had another.
Hi, Mary.
Hello, Mary.
Jason says hi, Mary. You got a grunt.
Eight, 7, 8.
Hang on, she's going to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hey. Oh, I'm just watching Jason Code. No, it's hardcore pornography, obviously. He's trying to get the simulator to work. Okay. How about you? What's up? What can I do for you?
You are my great ones. Exploring is just getting started.
VLM reconfigure. Okay. Nice. All right, oops, ready for a server boot.
Tommy's She liked her treat last night.
Oh, yeah. You don't get those that often.
All right, well that's running.
Your tootsies are super ticklish tonight. You know what? What? Your tootsies are super ticklish tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, I still didn't get your email. Ah, I got your email.
Hi.
Looking at it
Can I
now.
take you in? Oh, it's like a point on down to her nose corner, sitting right on her nose. What's Daddy doing to you, huh?
Does she look like she's complaining?
The head's not on the bed, though. Just gotta look at me. Gotta get my tea.
Okay.
Oh.
Boo, I'm back.
Hi. I think your land stuff is running right now.
Oh, cool beans.
And the server is available.
Okay, which do you want me to fire up? Raina, Skippy, or hold off for Skippy with a new UI?
Well, I mean, I'm looking at what you got was in the email, or in the what you sent in the email is what I'm looking at right now. So I'm not clear if I'm ready for you to do
anything yet.
anything yet.
Okay.
So what the hell? So you got trapped here after thrust adjust. Thrust adjustment is sum of forces.
I didn't touch anything on my thrusters.
No, I know. That's just what your computer was doing. So sum of forces is the problem. We have no idea if it was okay before this.
If it's hiding in real life, is it hiding the forces also, and therefore coming up with the zeros on everything and getting confused? What?
No, I'm just saying to what you said.
It was a question. It wasn't. It wasn't an observation. It was a question.
Don't know.
Ah.
So sum of forces is infinite. ET is okay. Result ij and k. So it wasn't a result of this. Sum of forces was screwed up before this. So I'm going to add this to the logging. This is after weight adjustment. I don't know why this is here. Previous thrust numbers.
Did you get a chance to read the what I said about the hotel? Because I thought I was cute with that. But you have to understand where my mind went with the hotel.
Yeah, I saw that.
I mean, the first thing I was like, you can go. I started actually typing that you could get a hotel room and sit and enjoy and relax in the bed. Take a soak in the tub. Go swimming, and you could even order up room service. At which point my mind went, "Is the brunette on the menu?" And I just went, "Oh God." Okay, if I say anything about this, it's going to go in the gutter. Room service, maid service, bar. Oh my God, yeah, no, that's a Skippy conversation, not a Raina conversation. Skippy is not always good. Raina tries to be good.
So this process is a 10% done, so I can't reboot until it's done anyway, doing your land grab thing. So what the hell? So you got killed here, which was affected by result, which was verified up here as being fine. Oh, so maybe I need to look at the last time that sum of forces is adjusted. That's what I need to do. Whoa.
You found a bomb.
It's not even in this file. So what calls into this routine? Oh, there it's working right there. I was like, what's it doing? Not dead and not flight freeze. Propulsion update. Okay. Oh, here we go. What is all this? This is all. So that gets reset. Shock. What is shock?
Probably when you grunt.
Wait, where were we before propulsion? This guy, he's what calculates the. So minus gravity. That's all it does. So movement does gravity, propulsion does your engine. And where were we before this? There we go.
Okay, sum of forces you said is divided by it removes gravity, right? So does removing RL remove gravity, which means you're taking 1.1 whatever and then subtracting that and ending up with 0, so therefore you're dividing by 0?
That could be. Ah, look at this. It even keeps you from grunting when you're in the simulator.
Okay.
Force relief, that's like depressurization. I mean, look at that. We have simulator 0.7 G's is the limit of what the simulator can do to you. This is pretty cool. So we reset. We do shock mag. Let's put this in after shock mag. I don't know what that means, but
Well, obviously it's very shocking.
yeah.
I hope it's less than 12 volts that you're shocking me with.
We'll put this in here and say after movement call.
Although I will admit to being shocked by pretty much every voltage from 1.5 to 220. What?
You're funny.
I'm not trying to be funny.
Oh. This isn't setting, it's just evaluating. So that's fine. Old sum forces. Again, it's already screwed. It's already screwed. It's not modifying it. Okay, I think we've got it. So I'm gonna
See how the LAN's doing, and then do the server reboot.
VLM is a state. No, this is a view screen update. It's 20% finished. So I'm going to put a new view screen exe in the folder that you're used to.
The FTP.
Yeah, or no, the HTTP one is easier for me.
Okay, that
okay.
is
reskin.us/viewscreen.exe. It'll be.
reskin.us.
But it's not there yet. This should get touched to 935 when it's done.
Viewscreen.exe.
Yeah, but it's not there yet.
I'm just typing it in. It's reskin.us /viewscreen.exe, right?
Yeah.
I haven't pressed enter.
Oh, good. Generating code. This is gonna be amazing, Bill. Oh yeah, you had a problem with a font too in the view screen. No, in the custom UI. No, it was in the view screen.
It was in view screen, but
I want to see.
But that could be because I have Windows doing strange things to my fonts to make them larger.
You do?
Yeah. In Windows 10, you can right-click, go to display settings, change size of text apps and other items by 125%. That's because my computer screen's about almost 6 foot away from me.
Yeah, but I make a specific font created from you have all of these in your fonts folder, right? The Core, Lucan.
Well, hang on, let me take a look, and I'll tell you what's in my fonts folder. It is Core KAR Dynamic.
Oh yeah, I see that one.
Lucan and Pala.
Oh, what the hell? I don't remember. Int return value if it succeeds. If it fails.
What fails?
The font registration. Adding font resource, and then we check that we create. That's for nameplates. That's for nameplates. Conveyances. Monitors. Monitors? That must be it.
Probably.
Just for giggles.
A knit high bill?
Yeah. There, I'll bake that into the copy I'm giving you so we can see in the work either. So we'll get a message, and this should be a 1 if everything is going okay. Log pixel X. I wonder if that's so. If you can you change that and see if that changes the way it looks in Rise, and then change it back.
Sure. Hang on. Let me get back to personalize.
Each time the sun is setting on
Oh, wrong
Dios, the
way.
ground track gets a strange red blob that moves across it.
Yes, it does.
So like,
I
If I go-
highlighted it on the picture that I sent in that email
Yeah.
to you.
I see it.
Okay, let's go. I'm using the old view screen right now because you didn't tell me to download the new one.
The hell is that?
I don't know. It starts out about 1 or 2 of those blob spot sizes to the right of it is a single blob. Then it grows to that blob, and then it moves west another width of the blob, grows a little bigger, and then the next update of this time of the ground track, it goes away.
Huh. Well, let's take a look at the.
And it only happens when the sun is setting. And it's also in line with the day-night line. I noticed that too. That could just be happenstance or something, but I don't know. Okay. Power. Okay, I have all my displays up, and I am now adjusting that. And oh, fuck yeah. Huh.
What?
It does
What is
change.
it?
It does change what the monitor does. What okay, this is what it is like it's supposed to be. See how small the text is? I mean,
Yeah.
and then I go into settings and then I bump it back up to 125.
Huh. Shoot.
And then it has to resize everything down to the new sizes.
Craziness.
So yeah, it does adjust it a little bit.
Like you're missing the letter N in over monitor on the.
Yes, but if you take a real close look at it, you can see it in dark blue on the light blue.
Well, why would that be?
Because let's bump it up to 150% and let it resize. Come on. Come on, you can do it. I don't know why. But let's go back to the 100% so you're in.
Yeah, but you shouldn't be affecting.
I still don't have the N.
You still don't have the N. Do I have the N? Well, here, I have the new version for you that has some fix in it that is relevant somehow. There you go. You're ready to download.
Riskin.
I don't even freaking remember what we did now.
We made it say hi, Bill.
No, not that part. Oh, I added more checks for telemetry.
Accept the risk. Fonts, rise. Open folder containing.
I'm gonna load mine up too. I would have noticed that N being missing. It's got to be something else with your machine.
Well, come on. Why the hell isn't it opening up the folder like I wanted it to? Open the damn folder. There we go. You drag there.
Yeah,
Replace.
see, my over monitor looks fine.
Continue.
What did you do, Bill?
I kicked the monitor until it broke. Okay, it's trying to load. Okay, now you want me to try and enter the simulator, yes?
Yes.
I died.
You died already?
My health went to 0. It went red. And I got an exclamation X saying program fault. Encountered a telemetry error. Please send the log file.txt.
Yeah, I can see your screen. I guess.
Send you the new log file.
Yeah. That's weird. I'm using. Oh, did I not put you back in your vehicle?
I was in my vehicle. I saw that I was in my vehicle.
It still thinks you're in 262.
Oh,
Try it again.
I need to close client before so I can send you the log file, don't I?
Close what? The client? No.
Oh, well, I did. Ah, dumb. I tried to send you the client.
Hey, that one's vacant. I'm gonna go get in that car and leave your
Leave the Hawaiian Clipper in the middle of the street, huh?
Hawaiian Clipper is out by a farm. Assuming it's yours.
Okay.
God, I just died again. What are you doing?
I'm checking to make sure I'm actually in 52881, and I am.
Oh, good.
That what?
Huh? All right, now what are we going to do? We're going to try this nonsense with transferring to the simulator again? Yes, and then we'll need that log file when it fails.
Okay. Ready, set. Encountered telemetry error.
Oh. Sorry. But the sound and the client aren't crashing, so that's good.
Right.
Oh, you got some hydroponics? Is this your farm? JOI Food Facility 23.
That ain't mine if it's got that name. Mine are named Dios Farm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. JOI is junk Orbital Industries
Who? Do you know what player that is?
I want to say Dave Suzuka.
Oh.
And no, I don't have his email anymore because of a computer crash 5 years ago.
Yeah, this it's all kinds of jacked up, but I'm not going to fix it. Shit. See the takeoff mode?
It says it twice because the first one is what you call it, the roll, the roll, and the second one is the pitch.
Yeah. So while I'm in TOTO with the auto flight off, which I can't turn auto. Oh yeah, I can turn auto flight on. If auto flight's off, when I go left and right with the mouse, it's yawing me instead of rolling me. And if I pitch front to back, it ignores me.
Yes, because the what you call it, auto flight always does that.
But it shouldn't do anything if they're not coupled, right?
It shouldn't do anything if you're not coupled. But then again, do you have the joystick enabled or?
No, well, I'm using the mouse.
Oh, that's because the mouse doesn't do jack shit except for the what you call it, except for the press your number pad 4 and 6 for left and right, 5
Oh,
5 to bring it back to center.
okay. See, but I'm trying front to back right now, and it's not letting me do front to back.
Which
either.
is 8 and 2.
Yeah, that's not working. Probably
It-
for the same reason the mouse isn't working.
It should.
Well, it's like you said. Are we supposed to fix the stuff in the view screen or move on? All right. What's your status? You sent me more logs.
I sent you the other log, and I was hanging here to find out what the next step was.
So I got the MMM logo. You saw the logo that I put on your.
Yeah, it's Three Mountains. Yes.
That's the one that Ian
Did
Maybe.
10 years ago.
Yeah.
Yep. And it is a cool one.
If you log into your into the forums and you go to your group, your Mineral Mountain Madness group,
It's above yeah.
it won't let you change the logo.
I didn't try. Let's see. Home. Citizens.
Oh hell! Why is City of Dio showing up on there?
I thought it was kind of funny. Where the hell am I?
Oh, you passed it. It's right in the middle.
There I am. Go.
Manage groups, top right. Interesting. Profile? Like go through the tabs. What do the different tabs let you do? Oh, this is for your account. Okay, so user groups is the only thing you can do. So go back to user groups.
I don't want to click to join selected.
Leaderships. What if you click on Mineral Mountain Madness again? Ugh. No, go back. It's very confusing. So what are the other options in that select drop down?
Select. I've got join select, resign select, demote select.
Huh. Well, I don't know what any of that means.
Nor do I. I can remove Skippy as a friend.
Well, shit. I don't know. I think I'm spent for the day. What were we doing? I don't even remember.
Trying to get the stimulator to work.
Oh yeah, and you sent me another log?
Yes.
Why don't I have it yet? So you would rather have your logo, or you want him to revisit the logo?
I had totally forgotten about what he did.
Okay.
And I was like, well, what would I want Mineral Mountain Madness's logo to look like? 3Ms that kind of look like mountains towering over Mineral Mountain Madness. That's kind of a cool idea. Yeah, let's send that to Jason and see what Ian can do with that, because I bet you he can make me go, well, damn, I suck.
Yeah. I remember doing this like 10 years ago. And what he came up with was what he sent over. Now, he may, knowing that we've redone the forums and, we're going to breathe new life into the game, revisit, the current icon set, for the current existing alliances, because a lot of the alliances are dissolved.
Yeah. JOI, by the way, is Junk or Industries.
Yeah, where is that? I don't see that one in
I didn't see it.
in the list. So,
But then again, I don't see Dave Suzuka either.
yeah, he's on there. DZII.
Dizzy. I don't see,
He doesn't have an alliance.
no.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad the board's working good for you. We'll get a new skin for it, and we'll be in business.
Yeah. Need to just bitch slap Ian some.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. I think we might have scared him with all of the tickets. But I told him not to worry. We had a good list. We're working towards good things. And I forget what I was saying again. Yeah, I think I'm just tired. So, oh yeah. Where is Bill? Oh, here you go. Okay, so you're up to 250,000 credits. Does that sound right?
I don't know. You can take that out of my bank account, seriously. You're supposed to laugh and go, 250,000? You're not even batting an eye?
Yeah, that's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So most of these plots I'm seeing are 12 to 2,600 credits each.
Yeah.
And so if you're doing a 10 by 10, that's 100 times 2,600. 26. Oh.
Sounds cool. In the neighborhood, yeah.
Yeah, that's in the neighborhood. You have that kind of money available?
Like I said, do you want me to get the money out from the bank and hand it to Reskin, or do you want me to, or do you just want to withdraw it from my bank account?
No, I'll just withdraw it.
As I recall, this afternoon, I think I was back at
850.
800. Yeah, I was gonna say, I think it was 850 something.
Wow. It says, you know what your total equity is?
I have no idea.
I'm trying to put zero or commas here, comma. So 418 million.
Okay.
Yeah, that's your total of all of your assets, vehicle assets. So,
Worst thing is, I don't even know where about half of them are, probably.
Let's see, well, here, I can show you. Well, I don't. you have you've paid $350,000 in taxes today. Am I reading that right?
Where are you reading it?
On the server panel. What
That
else
would.
is interesting? You've got commodity futures like out the yin yang.
Oh yeah. Because every time Dios gets broke, I take 100,000 credits out of my bank account and buy futures.
Do you know if you've lost or gained any money on that?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, aren't you nice?
It's to keep the city solvent so I can keep buying and selling things.
Reina 38. What the hell? Oh well.
I know that. Let's see. Where's destitute? Where's this city destitute? Because I actually typed in how many futures I had. New issues. Well, I know on the rare ones, I bought them an average price. I think I spent on them was like 200 credits per ton, and I've got 50,000 shares of it. So I've made.
I'll get you another custom UI. To play with. Yeah, you can't really have you putting yourself in the simulator because then you can't get yourself out again. So if you want to try the custom UI, I can send it over. We haven't built one for 7 days. Is that true?
I don't know.
Oh no, 4 days. Yeah, that sounds right. Oh, and your whole thing with the ground track map, I was looking at that too, wasn't
I didn't know what it was, so I didn't put it on Jira because it just, I don't know what the hell it is. It might just be a.
So I don't know if you can see this, but
I was looking at ground track trying to figure out what time of day it was.
So Mercator is the base map that we load. We put the star on it for the sun. Oh, draw the sun as a starburst. And then we run the map and we check for the light level and we change the alpha for that spot. This length is greater than 1 and length is 1. Shoot, maybe length can. Oh, so if it's less than that, we do this. If it's greater than that, then we subtract it. So this number is always greater than 0. We divide. This could be greater than 1, but it'll never be less than 0. Yeah, it all makes sense, Bill. I don't understand it. I mean, this has to be because they're cities. Cities are boxes. Docks are, I forget, pluses, I think. Ships.
Ships are pluses, white pluses.
We timestamp it, and we save it off. What the hell? Let's look at the map that it uses. Shouldn't be let's see, Mercator BMP. I mean, it shouldn't have an alpha component, right? BMPs can't have alpha component?
No, they don't.
Let's just make sure, because if there was... Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Freak it go. Let's see, layer, view. I mean, you said it moves, right?
Yeah.
So it's showing opacity, but it's fully opaque. There's a way to see. That's clear from. Oh yeah, view. No. Where the hell is it? You don't know how to do this. Fuck, I don't remember.
Well, I can tell you that you can tell right here that it doesn't have any layers.
No layers, but.
Okay, move your mouse. Okay, you see where my mouse is over here?
Hang on. Yeah?
That list says layers. That lists your layers. There is one layer, the background.
Okay, so it's not that. I mean, what the heck could it be?
How about the light dark map? Does that has to have alphas in it?
Like, what happens? We can't. Oh, we're actually modulating the. So the alpha, we're actually modulating the red, green, and blue components based on the alpha. 210. Huh. And it's like it's just a little bit redder, right?
Yeah.
Well, I have no idea. See, this again, this code in C++ would be replaced with one line in the frickin' .NET world where you would say draw a freaking dot. Why am I? What is this calculation? I don't even know. Bits per pixel. Bytes per row. I mean, what is this? The Dark Ages?
Yes.
Is a float. RGB. I mean, the only thing that I can think of is, that we're getting above or below some value. Like, this is 0.75, but if it was, it's like if length was, a negative number or a number that's over 1, over 1.5 or something, then it would potentially cause trouble. You didn't write that one up yet, did you?
I don't even know how to write it up.
Well, I would just say there's an artifact on the ground track in certain scenarios that comes and goes, and the picture that you sent, or I can send it back to you, or I can open it tomorrow. That's fine. Basically, what I'll want to do is, recheck it after we rewrite all that stuff. And do you see it? Is this the live one that you're looking at now?
This is the live one I'm looking at right now.
And it doesn't exist. It's not doing it currently.
No, it won't do it until the the Terminator gets right about there. When it gets there, the red starts about here, moves and grows to there, moves and grows along that line right there, and then the next one, it's gone.
Yeah, that's weird. I think the prime meridian might be somewhere around there. Like, what is DOS?
26.
26 east.
I want to say it's 4
West.
south and it's west.
Oh, that doesn't make sense. And so the prime meridian is somewhere out where the sun started on this map.
Yeah. Hang on, I can give you ideas to. Let me call up the spreadsheet you sent me before, and I can.
We should have the colonies shown on this map. That would be cool. What color should I make them? I'll make them purple.
Well, purple is the same as a no trespassing sign in the woods if you're out hiking. Okay. Let's see. Kansas City is 22 east. Kansas City is right there, where that cluster of ships is.
That's 22 east?
That's 22 east.
Okay, so DOS is 26 east.
And Deolis is 26 west.
What the hell? I'm so confused.
That's 26 west, and that's 26 east. So
okay,
right
so
about
right
the middle
there,
is...
And that's where the funkiness you're seeing, isn't it?
Yeah. As the Terminator is crossing that line is where the funkiness happens.
There's got to be something to that. It's got to be, well, right, if you're going to write it up, include that detail. I'm going to go to bed. I want to do things, but I can't.
Not a problem.
Thank you for hanging out again.
Thank you for having me. Yeah, I can tell you if I ever win Powerball, I know some things I want done, and one of them is you and Ian to quit your jobs and this to become a real profession.
So I just got an email from Wade, my friend Wade. He says, did not find location for register on the forum. And what we do is to keep all the riffraff out. The forum is only for players, so you have to download the game and install the game and create a character, and then it will make your forum account. So it's this kind of stuff that I deal with, but it's not your fault.
Well, do you want me to write that in the getting started section of the forums?
Yes. And I will sticky it the hell out of it.
Okay.
Trapped violation after movement call. Good job, Bill. This is going to help.
And I cannot connect to this website or any other web pages because I've crashed Rise so many times. So I will be rebooting my computer. And you go to bed, sir.
Okay, good night.